Hey everyone, this is Zelda from TandZRVLife. Tony's outside making some homemade chicken noodle soup for today, and I am in here taking care of my face. I know any lady who is of a certain age or not of a certain age has to deal with facial hair on their lip here. Some have it a little peach fuzz on their face, and you try to get rid of it. When I was younger, I would just use the cream on my face, and I was done, and I was good for months. Now it's taking longer and longer, and I would just take, which is a no-no, take Tony's razor and go and get off some of the little hairs, and then it was fine. But it was coming in very thick, and I would use the cream, and you're getting more and more use of the cream every month, every few weeks, every couple of weeks, and it was getting a little bit out of hand for me. And then I decided I was going to just let it come in because I purchased this and I wanted to give it an honest review. I've never used a epilator type device, which it plucks the skin. I mean, plucks, it did, but I'll tell you about that in a moment. It plucks the hairs out of your face. So this says Gillette Venus, powered by Braun, face perfection up to 4 weeks of smooth skin. And it has 10 micro openings capture. Here's the little pamphlet that came with it. And you know what? It might help to have the device, which I left that in the back. I'll get in just a second. But it just shows you what it is. And they send an extra battery for it that comes with a cap and a little brush. And I'll show you the head pieces here. So let me go grab that. Okay, I'm back. Tony walked in just as I was pausing it. But here it is. Very small. Comes with an extra battery and a little brush that you can use to open and close to put your battery in. I really don't want to mess with that. Anyway, that's where the battery goes. And here it is. Show that to you. Turn it on so you can see it. It spins one way or the other. Doesn't matter. It's quiet. I personally have never used a product that plucks hairs out of your face. I've never plucked eyebrows. I've never plucked anything because I'm a wimp. So using this was pretty interesting. So let me just read to you. It's not much to it. If you've used tweezers to pluck hairs out of your face or here, then you know what it feels like. Just think of that 10 times going pretty fast. Plucking them out. Okay, you're not to use it to shape your eyebrows, but you can use it to pluck, I guess, the eyebrows that you may have that are wonky, that's sticking out there. It says, become familiar with your appliance. Hold it with the tweezers against the section of the skin that you keep stretched with your free hand, and then carefully guide it with gentle pressure against the direction of the hair growth. That's, you got to go against it. Don't press too hard; it may lead to skin injury. And after you switch it off, clean it with the brush provided, and then apply some moisturizing cream on after epilation. So, let me tell you, the first time I turned this on, you know, you just turn it on and that's the opposite way, and you hold it against your skin. And now I can take it, but I'm telling you, because that's what you do. I am very, very impressed. All the hairs are gone. All the hairs are gone. From mustache to chin. Did it hurt? Yes, it did. Was it as bad as labor? No. But if you're not used to that, I had to, when I was doing it, I go tap up, tap up, tap up, tap, tap. And then after I got used to it plucking on my face, then I went on and did it, and it was fine. I used some over-the-counter lidocaine cream on here and here before I did it, because I've heard it was very, very painful. And even with that, it was painful. But for the money, and I got it off of Amazon, it is worth it. It is worth it. And then, you know, can't put it away. I just have mine put in a little plastic bag and put it back into the bathroom for right now, because that's all that I just got it. I just got it today. And I am so pleased with this thing, because yes, I am beard free, as Michael would say. Mommy, when he was younger, he would say, "Mommy, I'm trying to get out of trouble. Is that a beard?" It's funny now, but it sure was not funny back then. It did stop me from spanking him, because I couldn't spank him because it was funny, and so I ended up not. But anyway, just wanted to get that out there for you. This is really awesome. I'm pleased. Tony said it feels really smooth, and it really does feel very smooth. And I would recommend this, definitely. If you're used to plucking, or using tweezers, I was trying to say that word at the same time, using tweezers and plucking out hairs, then this is nothing. Oh, I did say about skin. Right over here, my skin is a little looser. I'm a little older, so when I put that there, it caught in the little plucks, and so I had to pull out like that. See, my skin is, yeah. I just had to pull it away from my face. So if you're older and you have, or if you're younger and you have looser skin, make sure you hold the area taut that you're going to apply the Venus Perfection on. Okay, guys, stay healthy, stay safe, and we will be back with you on the next video. Bye.